Привет-привет, друзья! Как ваши дела? Nadia is here, and today I will share 5 websites with you. These websites will make learning Russian much easier. So the first website is here. By the way, if you want to check links to these websites, you can open the description to this video and you will see all 5 links there. So the first website helps us to put stress marks in Russian words. Probably you already know about stress marks, so I will not tell you about them. If you don't know about stress marks, you can watch this short video and you will understand why do we need them. Okay, so you can type the sentence here, or you can click paste, copy the text somewhere and paste here. I will type the sentence. So I typed 2 sentences. These sentences mean I'm at home today, I'm watching TV and resting. And then I press green button, which says to put stress marks. Okay, so you can see that each word has the stress mark. And pay attention to the first sentence. You can see 2 words, дома and дома. Both of these words exist in the Russian language, and if we say дома, it means at home. But if we change the stress and say дома, it means houses. So be attentive about the context and choose the correct option here. For example, I say сегодня я дома, it means today I'm at home. That's why I have to pick up the first word. Okay, so we have stress marks here. Cool. And I want to pay your attention that only 2,000 symbols are available every day. Well, I think it's enough. It's enough for me. It's enough for my work. But if you need to put stress marks in really huge texts, you have to divide this text to several days. And I adore this program because it is really helpful, and it is helpful for both students and teachers. Okay, so now let's move to the next website. This website will help us to understand which words have letter yo. You probably already know that in the Russian language, letter yo is always stressed. So this is the only letter that has fixed stress. But unfortunately, Russians don't write letter yo. Instead of letter yo, we write letter ye. For example, let's take a look at word веселый. It means cheerful. You can see that usually we write it with letter ye, but we pronounce it with letter yo because we know which words have letter yo and which ones letter ye. But foreigners don't know this. That's why this website will be really useful. Okay, the same as here. You can type some sentence, for example, or you can copy somewhere and paste. I will paste the text and also click green button, and you will understand which words have letter yo and which ones don't have letter yo. Here, I want to pay your attention. You can see that some letters, they have green color and some of them they have red color. What does it mean? Green color, it means that there is letter yo, only letter yo. And red color means that both options are possible. For example, let's take a look at the word берег. Here you can see it. If I pronounce it with letter yo, берег, I mean that he kept safe. But if I pronounce it with letter ye, берег, I mean shore, like seashore, river shore, and etc. So also be attentive about the context and you will understand which word you need here. For example, this sentence is about a guy who was keeping safe something. So I have to pick up word берег with letter yo. The third website is also one of my favorite. It is called Forva and it is pronunciation based. So you can find all the languages here, all the words here, because this site says that it has all the words in the world. I'm not sure if it's true, but I think maybe it is true because they really have a lot of different words, a lot of different examples here, and you can listen to these words so you can practice your listening. It's really nice if you work with the tutor, if you study Russian language with the tutor and you get used to a person's voice. It's really nice to listen to someone else's voice as well. Or if you study the Russian language on your own, it is also really helpful because this way you can really practice your listening. Let me show you the way it works. Okay, let's find word здравствуйте, which means hello. Okay, you can see different options here. Let's try to play one of them. Let's try to play this one.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Мария.
Can you hear it? I hope you can. Let's play one more.
Здравствуйте, что вас беспокоит?
Perfect. So you can see here are 2 pages, so many different options, so many different examples. Let's try to play this one.
Здравствуйте, чем я могу вам помочь?
Man's voice. So the previous 2 were female's voice and this one is male's voice. Okay, and you can find different languages here, not only Russian. If you studied the German language, you can find German words. If you studied the Ukrainian language, you can find Ukrainian words here as well. So all the words, all the languages are available here. Okay, let's move to the next website. Okay, here. This website will help us to identify the gender of a noun. It's really perfect if you don't know what is the gender of nouns with soft sign at the end, because we know that these nouns can be both, not both, but either masculine or feminine. And I gave you some tips to identify which ones are masculine and which ones are feminine. You can check this video if you wish. But if you have some troubles with memorizing the rules, or you're just annoyed by the fact that some of them are masculine and some of them are feminine, you just want to know which ones is it masculine or feminine, this website will really help you to understand the gender of Russian nouns. So you can see this page and you have to scroll just a little bit to see this line with green button on the right side. I will type a word here. So you can see that I typed word лебедь. It means swan. It has soft sign at the end, so let's identify the gender. So it says мужского рода, which means that it is masculine. And now let's type word лошадь, for example. It means horse. So it says женского рода, which means that it is feminine. And now let me show you some neuter nouns. Море, sea. Среднего рода. And the last program will help you to conjugate Russian verbs. You probably already know that there are a lot of irregular verbs, especially in second conjugation verbs, and really often stress mark jumps when we change verbs. When we conjugate them, stress marks can jump. And this program will help you to conjugate verbs correctly. And what I really love about this program is that it shows stress marks. So this is verb to read, читать, and here you can see the way it is changed. There is also past tense. And now let me show you some irregular verbs. About verb видеть, to see. You can see its conjugation, the way it is changed, and you can see that first person singular, it is changed a little bit different. We say я вижу. So this program will help you to avoid mistakes. And let me show you one more verb, to watch. Смотреть. So you can see that stress jumps here. Я смотрю, I watch, but ты смотришь, он смотрит. The rest is the same. Мы смотрим. So you can see that stress jumps here. That's why I hope this program will help you to make less mistakes while learning the Russian language. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope this website will really help you, and tell me please which website is your favorite one. What website are you going to use really often? Thank you so much for this video. Don't forget to like it and please subscribe our channel. I will be really grateful for